Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Data Studio to Looker Studio for SEO reporting, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Data Studio to Looker Studio for SEO reporting, begin by logging into your current Data Studio account. Navigate to your existing reports that you wish to update. Open a report and notice the interface. You will see a notification indicating that Data Studio has been rebranded to Looker Studio. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with any changes in the layout or features. Next, check if your data sources are still functional by clicking on the Data tab. Ensure all connections remain intact and update any data sources if necessary. To convert your existing reports to the new Looker Studio format, look for the Convert to Looker Studio option. Click on this option to initiate the conversion process. Review the new features that Looker Studio offers to enhance your reporting capabilities. Consider exploring additional templates offered by Looker Studio for more design options. Adjust your existing charts and graphs as needed to fit the updated layout. Make sure to test each element within your report to confirm functionality. Review your SEO metrics to ensure all data is accurately represented in the report. Save your updated report regularly during this process to avoid data loss. Once satisfied with the new format and functionality, finalize your updates. Congratulations, your Data Studio has successfully been updated to Looker Studio for SEO reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.